Oh, this is near and dear. I had to pick this one up.
Yeah, I thought this was for you.
$24,000 space camper for Tesla Cybertruck. Clever and stylish. Another cool camper edition for the Cybertruck that actually makes the truck look more normal, but is pretty expensive. You know what? They have been trying to figure this one out because once this Cybertruck actually hits, the market for this type of thing is going to be
through the roof.
Banana.
Yeah.
Everyone's going to want these. They're not going to be able to make them fast enough. You might as well start making them now. Get Elon to give you one Cybertruck so you can start mocking this stuff up. Because you will sell
tons of these.
You will sell one of these for every 8 Cybertrucks.
Oh, wow. You think it's that much? Eh?
I don't know. I'm being aggressive here. No, because it is. Well, they're saying it's going to be 24,000. Look how natural it looks, though. Because of the shapes. Make it so easy. You got the solar panels. We're just talking about solar panels, me and you.
Yeah.
You're Mr. Solar Panel.
I do like a good solar panel.
You're like, Lou, let me explain everything about solar panels to you.
I actually have this Phoenix brief that I got from here. Must have been like 4 years ago. I still have it. It's a briefcase.
Yeah.
You open it up. It's a solar panel inside. And along the sides, it's all ports. And I've used it a few times.
Cool.
What are you doing with that, though?
I just like, I think it's really cool. I just tell Nash, I'm like, this is sun energy.
That's it? That's the extent of it?
Yeah.
And
like
then
I've charged my phone. It's next to my camping equipment.
So is it easy to set up?
It's a briefcase. You just open it.
Mo was just like, you see this?
I think it's called Phoenix. You can
see this right here? Sun energy.
Sun energy.
Everyone's like, yeah.
Sun power.
No. You see this? They're like, yeah, we get it. No, it is cool. It is cool. I agree with you, man. I mean, I used to have listen, I like solar. It's a cool idea, no doubt. Look at they got the projection in there. They're watching Back to the Future.
Wow.
Or as you like to call it, Future Back. Shout out Josh, who's asking about Will's Bronco. Is he being swayed now towards a Cybertruck? That's the question. Go ahead, Will.
I don't think I'm gonna get a Cybertruck.
He's not swayed.
It's like really out of the question for you, eh?
Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I would like one, but I kind of want a Bronco more. That's really
Wait a second.
Wait, hold on.
Wait. Whoa.
What do you want?
Whoa.
Oh, man.
Whoa.
We got some news.
Why you gotta do that?
You think you can come on a show like this, talking like that, and not hit us with a follow-up? Go ahead, Will.
No, there's no follow-up.
Yeah, there is.
What do you mean?
You just said, I want a Bronco.
I've always wanted a Bronco.
Go ahead. You just said it today, 2022. You just said it. Go ahead.
I don't know if there's anything to say.
Break the news. What? Look at the people in the chat. They know what I'm talking about. So for sure, you know what I'm talking about. They know what I'm talking about.
All they're saying is go ahead, Will.
Exactly.
I
got nothing, bud.
Okay, wait, but I got some questions.
Okay.
The Bronco you like because of the drain plugs. We know that for sure. But also because it's like a bit of a statement to what you want to do with it, right? Like you want to go off-roading, you want to go like adventure-y, right?
Yeah.
But you were hesitant because you felt like buying a gas car is maybe not the best decision right now.
Yeah.
So you lean towards the Tesla. Does the Cybertruck not answer both your problems?
Dude, if I try to get a Cybertruck, it's not going to be here until like 2030. Realistically.
Right.
You know? And also, I feel...
Did he just say 2030?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I did. Future back. These accessories, like, people are developing them, but are they actually good?
Right. This is unknown territory.
Yeah. With, like, Jeeps and stuff, at least there's a backing that... You know, you get the manufacturer that's, you know, reputable.
Shout out, Andre. No, here's the problem, Will. You're avoiding this conversation again.
What are you?
Everybody in the chat, everybody who's here right now, they heard what I heard. Could it be a slip of the tongue? Maybe. Could it be insight into the deep corners of Willie Doo's mind? What we need to know, has the Bronco elevated itself? Is the Bronco back? That's what we need to know.
Yeah, it is back. Listen, I'm not sold on a Model 3 here. I was always 50-50. And I mean, well, it was always up and down on both sides.
Very conflicted.
You just eliminated the 50-50.
Well, yeah.
He went 50-50, then he said, well,
It's 51-40 now.
what are we at right now? Let's get an update, stock market update. We want to hear the percentages.
Right now,
Oh boy.
I think whatever comes first.
No. They arrive at the exact same time. We want to hear the percentages. Go ahead. Go ahead, Will. Go ahead.
Man, I don't know. Probably like a. Okay, I'm gonna say like a 60% on a Bronco.
Woo!
If it's there.
If it gets here first, you're settling with the Bronco.
No, if it's both there.
Oh
Why
my
do you-
God. It's 60-40.
But that
Bronco.
changes so much, dude.
Does it change depending on what the gas price is that day?
That's mainly it.
Because gas price has been nutty lately. By the way, Lou left the show. Lou has left the building. He like closed the door. He's gone. This is just a Mo and Will show from now on.
He went to the.
He went to the what?
He went to the washer.
Oh, great. Great.
But what
He's
about
just going to
you?
make us sweat here for a bit.
Yeah. What about you? Will you get the? Like, does this look good for you? Like
I'm
this,
not in the market for a vehicle, but if
But
I was in
van
your
life.
position, I
What's the
would
van
convince Lou to give me his reservation
Really?
because he reserved this way earlier.
So you would really want this?
I'm saying if I was in your position, if I was deciding
Oh, I
between a Bronco and a Tesla, I would go
Can we just
Cybertruck.
backtrack for a second?
well, you left, man.
Well, I had to.
Yeah,
It's
I
getting
know.
too hot. It was getting way too hot in here. Couldn't handle it.
What do you want?
It's too much to handle. This guy over here talking like that, acting like it's not news. Everybody knows it's the truth that it's news.
Yeah.
They
Well,
say-
I'm easily persuaded.
They say
each and
breaking.
every day.
They say breaking news. In there, I didn't say those words. They said those words.
Right.
I know that they know what is and isn't breaking news. I don't
You
try.
speak for the community.
That's right. It's my job here.
No,
So,
I get it.
A 60-40 for you is, you never said that before. You've always gotten away with this coin flip.
No, you're right. I mean, like, when we had the previous conversation, it was 60-40 Tesla,
Was it?
the Model 3.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Now you're 60-40 Bronco.
yeah.
What is it, the summertime? I
Yeah.
know what it is.
More outdoors and stuff.
I know what it is. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right, so he's officially a 60-40. Yeah, this is cool. They're going to sell a lot of these if they can figure it out, if they can make it. It's a lot like the Cybertruck, though. And weirdly enough, I think the Cybertruck buyer is kind of the right one to buy on spec because they already gave money to Tesla. They're like, I'll get it when I get it. It's fine. They can totally fund the development of this product. They'll be like, I love it. Let me get my order in early, and they'll just take it when it comes. But there is something about the shape of the Cybertruck that just makes it great for this type of usage because you have these straight angles. And often that's not the case. You have all types of other off-road vehicles that people want to rig up, and they have curves to them. And
Yeah.
it can make things like racking harder. It can make the angles of rooftop tents and things all more difficult. This looks like it's part of the vehicle because matching straight lines is a pretty straightforward thing to do. So how do they want to take your money right now? What do they want you to do? You got to go to the website and give them $500 or something?
Deposit?
Go, or maybe not, maybe nothing yet. There's not. Is there a website? Can you click on anything? What's going on here? Space campers. Oh yeah, there we go.
Here you go.
Reserve. Okay, let's see what they're looking for. Look, you got the ramp. The ramp is $100 down. Whoa. 10,000 down, and you get 10% off the camper, 20% off accessories for life, and first priority fulfillment. Whoa, wow. Well, 10 grand is kind of a large amount for a new company.
Mhm.
They got an FAQ. They got some patents. 100 down is only going to make you fourth priority fulfillment. So, but either way, whatever. It's exciting times. A lot of new form factors, a lot of new ways that people are going to use these things. And I can't vouch for anything on this front.
No.
It's all very promising, but
The designs are cool.
there's going to be companies. I wonder if Tesla would ever consider building the accessory as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think they would.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
I know Elon's a fan of the van life people, so
All of them.
all of them.
You
Dave Lee.
Right. Polestar's first electric SUV will officially debut October 2022. The Polestar 3 will be the EV maker's first vehicle made in and for the U.S. By the way, Will, apologies. Just give me 1 second. Everybody in the chat was mentioning another SUV that apparently we should all want. A new company. They were calling it the Grenadier or something. Was anyone else seeing this?
I have not heard of this.
I just there. Grenadier.
4x4.
This is what we should be getting.
Yeah. I saw
Whoa.
this.
Are we getting this instead, Will?
Well, we got to get this in studio.
Yeah, this
For
is dope.
sure.
Is this an
I saw a
electric
video
vehicle?
of it.
What's going on here? Can we build and order this right now? Let's go.
Right there.
Why did you select United Kingdom? You guys, Canada was an option. You can.
Automatic there.
No. Canada was right there, dude.
Okay.
What's going on?
Well, I don't know. I just want to get to the site, but I'll go back.
Well, because if you click order, it's probably going to have different specifications depending on which
And it will be in pounds.
country you select. Yeah, there you go, Canada. And reserve it. Yeah, right there. $450 for reservation here.
Mm.
First in line. What happens next? I don't know. How am I just hearing about this?
I did see a video of it the other day. Was it CarWow or something?
Oh, it's not an EV.
It's not an EV, no.
Oh, okay. It's just a new SUV brand.
Right.
Not what we expected to see in 2022.
I thought it was an
It is
EV.
cool though.
Where are they based out of?
I'm guessing the UK.
What is that based on? Like, where will they be built?
Configurator.
Maybe just type in where
reminds me of-
where built.
Manufactured?
Where built. There you go. Wales, UK. Got it. Assembly in France, companies in Wales. Very interesting. It's like sort of has a Land Rover look to
It
it.
does, yeah.
You can configure the utility wagon, station wagon, Bell Staff Edition, double cab pickup, which is blurred out at the moment. But yeah, it's cool looking.
It is very cool.
That's another one where do you want to be the first one? Do you want to be the first one for a new brand like that?
How you pronounce the name?
I think it's Grenadier. No?
Ineos?
Oh, Ineos.
Ineos?
I don't think so. We'll have to wait and see how that goes. But yeah, maybe we'll get that in studio. But